Ooh-wee, baby, you know what time it is. Me and that boy Tam out here, Moses Lake, you know what I'm saying? Floodgates, we want to see if we can catch a few fish, maybe hit a few reefs. Y'all stay tuned. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope y'all enjoy the video, man. Red? Mm. Is it on? Yeah.
Big trout.
Come on. Come on. Get in the... Do. Ah. Little net.
Fat, man. They're good. Ooh, he swallowed that one. He ain't getting away. I knew I smelled that watermelon, guy. I was like, oh, man.
Oh, my finger.
21 and a half. I'll take it on Thanksgiving.
Got one, dude. Trout. It might be a keeper. No, he little. Still.
Dude, this water is long.
Yeah, it's a keeper. 16, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
You free line? Oh, no.
Free line, yeah, free line.
Keeper.
Keeper, yellowmouth, baby. Let me see, 16, bro. Yeah. I gotta get me a pair of these. The bid you got. I like these. How much are they? Like 200? Nah, I'm not gonna get those. I'll get these.
Man, that was a big ass trout. Alright.
It was just right here, free line. Blink. Got him. Double.
Double up, guy. Oh, it's the same one. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
What you got?
Mine's keeper. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, I put my rod down, get a cigarette. I said, you ain't going down. Let me see, he about 16. Yeah, he keeps. There's one. Mm-hmm. Keeper. It's not. 16. Good one. Keeper, trout. So what? If I can't pull up on me, pull up on me. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Let him anchor right there. It's fine.
That's a good one.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's my bad. My line's right there. Let me see.
Right.
618 probably. Fat 18. Let me see. Yes, sir. Called it. Fat 18. Huh? 18. 18. Go ahead. Yeah, I just went a little deeper. It's that small shrimp I put on, boy. I think so, yeah. Nah, it ain't a speck.
The piggy?
Big old piggy.
Oh yeah, I caught it.
Golly.
Bro, I caught a big ass piggy last time. That shit is ridiculous.
Let me get on this side. No, no, you're on. I'm under you. I'm under you. Let me get over these rods though. Oh, I am over you. Here, hold on. Go under me, under me, under me. Yeah, that's a red, baby.
I knew they were close to there.
That's a red. Man, I got that little hook, bro.
Started raining, guys.
Oh, holy.
Is that a bull or what?
It might be. I don't know. Yeah, it's probably a slot. Solid slot. Here it is. Coming up, coming up, coming up. I'm gonna bring him around this way.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I got him. Good red. Good slot red. I'm pulling this way. Good slot. Here he comes. He's barely hooked. Upper slot. Barely hooked. Caught him. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. That's a tournament fish right there, bro. That's 20. Dude, this thing is a fucking monster.
Yeah, they're fat.
Bro, that's a tournament winning red right there. That thing is a fucking football, dude. Look where I had him hooked, y'all. Right in the corner of the mouth. Look. He just chill. Look at that. Look at this fish. Right in the corner of his mouth. Look at that. Ooh wee, baby, that's a football. Excuse me, my bad, bro. I want to hold the fish up, but then everybody's gonna be looking. Oh. I caught him on a little shrimp, bro. Like the smallest shrimp. Let me see. There you go, y'all. Look at that thing. Appreciate it. Let's see. He is 26 and a half, bro.
Yeah, he's a fatty.
27, right at 27. Nose. 27. That is a tournament fish right there. Oh my god. This is a tournament. Got him. Got him. Tam's on, y'all. Tam's on. We're on them, baby. Let's see this. See him turning on his scale. Scale says, hey, come here, let me weigh this fish real quick. Watch this. All right, guys. We got the scale. see, what does it say? 8 pounds?
8.4.
8.4, baby. It's an 8 pound. That's a tournament right there. 27 inches, 8 pounder. That's a tournament red. Fatty. Ooh-wee, baby. You know what it is, baby. Look at that thing. Ooh-wee. As soon as I threw it in. Said as soon as I threw it in, baby. Keeper, yes. 15. He right at. He gonna make it. That's a limit, baby. 16. Limit, baby. That's a limit, baby. Yes, sir. 16. Put your tail down. 16, baby.
You catch them on the rocks too?
Nah, I threw like right to the right of my cork. You got them pliers?
They're up there, maybe.
Right to the right of my cork.
Oh, they're in my pocket.
That's a limit, baby. Number 5, baby. That's how you do it, folks. That's right. Caught my limit of trout, free line and shrimp. That's right, baby. Captain Tamboo. Yeah, that's how we do. Yeah, you already know what time it is. Yes, sir. The boy. You already know your boy. Hey, hey. Yeah. That's Tam's 5th rockfish. You got a limit of rockfish, that's for sure. Got a couple slots. A limit, my limit, and Tam's got about 3. Good day. It's a good day. Y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Peace. Bye bye. I just want to give thanks to God for letting me have a bountiful harvest. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and I hope everyone has a blessed day, a blessed rest of the year. Spend time with your family these holidays and Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I hope everybody gets on these fish, man. Free line shrimp using a cork. We're at 3-4 foot leader. We've been catching them. Y'all can do the same thing, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, man. Peace. That's how you do it, baby.
You got him?
Mm-hmm. Sheephead.
What is it, red?
Sheephead.
Oh, yeah.
Got a net. Where'd the net at? Sheephead. Sheephead. Keeper. Thank you. Barely had him hooked in the lip, boy. By the skin of his chinny chin chin. Yeah, he's 16. The bank, bro. Yes, sir. You know how it is. You know how it is. Sheephead, redfish, trout, baby. Speckled trout. That's how we do it. Free line live shrimp. Popping cork. 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, 30-pound braid, little split shot. Wait for that bite. Crawling arcs, medium light rods. That's how you do it. Y'all stay tuned for more, and happy Thanksgiving.